Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Product. Today, we're checking out the best baitcasting fishing reel. Ultralight, powerful, and feature-packed. If you love serious fishing, this one's for you. Let's get started. Product features. First impressions and build quality. Right out of the box, the Histar Aurora Air impresses with its ultra-lightweight design. Weighing just 115 grams, it feels feather-light in the hand, making it perfect for long fishing sessions without causing wrist fatigue. The 4.4G AT7 superlight aluminum spool not only contributes to the weight savings, but also allows for smoother, longer casts. The reel's low center of gravity design offers a natural grip, which helps with handling during extended use. It's clearly built with performance and ergonomics in mind. Braking system and casting control. One of the standout features of the Histar Aurora Air Reel is its 3D dynamic magnetic levitation braking system. It automatically adjusts braking based on spool speed, ensuring smooth, tangle-free casting. Combined with an external disc brake offering 5 levels and 30 micro settings, you get unmatched control, perfect for beginners to pros. Materials and durability. When it comes to build quality, the Aurora Air doesn't cut corners. It uses aerospace-grade T7 materials and a brass gear combination, which adds toughness and long-term durability. This is a reel built for hard use in real fishing conditions. Another highlight is the Omamaki wide triangle line outgoing device. It ensures the line flows out smoothly and reduces the chance of tangles or snags, something every angler can appreciate. Extra features for functionality. This reel doesn't stop at performance. It adds smart functionality too. One standout is the new style DS fish catch alarm system, which helps you detect bites even when you're not fully focused on the line. The 4-kilogram drag power gives you the strength to tackle bigger fish with confidence. And the drag system engages smoothly, so you won't snap lines or lose your catch mid-fight. Comfort is also a priority here. The TPE soft rubber knob fits naturally in your hand, providing a secure and non-slip grip even when wet. Pros: ultra lightweight at just 115 grams. Smooth 3D magnetic braking system. Adjustable braking with 30 micro settings. Durable aerospace grade and brass build. Supports ultralight lures. Fish catch alarm for better bite detection. Comfortable TPE grip knob. Cons: not ideal for extremely heavy saltwater fishing. May require initial adjustment for beginners unfamiliar with magnetic braking. No left-handed version mentioned. Final thoughts. The Histar Aurora Air Baitcasting Fishing Reel is a top-tier choice for anglers who demand performance, comfort, and precision. Whether you're casting micro lures in a tournament or fishing for fun on the weekend, this reel delivers smooth performance and reliable strength. It's lightweight, packed with smart features, and built to last, making it a fantastic investment for your fishing setup. Check the price link in the description and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Product for more honest reviews and fishing tech videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.